Greetings traders! In today's session we will trade Great Britain pound against Australian dollar. Well, I like this currency pair a lot because it gives us fabulous long-term trends which are better than almost any other currency pair. But this video won't be about it. This video will be strictly about short-term trading and short-term trading profits. So here we will of course trade options and we will make money on price action. We'll do it in very simple terms. Well, if prices will go up, we'll use moving average as a trend indicator, and once price closes above this trend indicator, we will go long and we will make money on downwards moves as well, because when prices will go lower, they tend to stay lower. So we will use the same moving average and we will go short once prices are below the trend line. Very simple, but it has worked for decades. So we wouldn't drop anything that works for years, we will just improve it, and we will prove it with options, and we will use very narrow time execution times for 5 seconds, and we will risk 1,000 per each trade, which is appropriate if you have same capital as I do. If you have smaller capital, of course, reduce your risk, act accordingly. But with that said, let's ignore anything else but price action and make some good short-term profits. So let's start. Our first trade. Now in our first trade we are above the trend line, which means we will go long. Yes, and prices closed above the entry price and we made nice $920 profit. Second trade. We will have identical trade setups because prices continue to climb and we just made another $920 profit. Why? Because when prices are moving, they are moving. Our third trade. Now we are continuing to go an upwards move and we will go long, which meant we made third profitable trade in a row because trend is up. First trade. Now we'll have identical approach here because prices are above the trend line and we will go along here as well. Here we were break even. It happens. We didn't make money, we didn't lose it either. So our fifth trade. In our fifth trade we will continue to go upwards and we just made some additional $920 profit. It might seem obvious and easy, but here's the trick. As I told you in the beginning of this video, if prices are having strong price movement in either direction, it will likely continue to do that, and your trick as a trader here is to exploit that. And we did that with 5 short-term trades. One was break even, other 4 trades were made money almost sequentially. So in that way we made $3,680 in like 10 minutes or less. So a lot of preparation, short trading session, good profits. So all you have to do to pull that off is correct trading strategy, which I just showed, and good options broker, which is Pocket Options. So if you want to neatly trade options, use Pocket Options and use my link to join it. So join me, stay tuned and wait for my next video.